Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit cash into SoFi account. First, open the SoFi app and go to the banking section. Next, select Deposit Cash or a similar option and tap Find a Location to locate a participating retailer. Then, visit the selected store, such as a convenience store or supermarket, that supports cash deposits via a partner service. At the checkout, tell the cashier you want to deposit cash using your SoFi debit card through the partner, such as the green dot, reload, the register program. Hand over your cash and swipe or tap your SoFi debit card. The cashier will process the transaction, and you will receive a receipt. The funds typically appear in your account in about 15 minutes to 2 hours. Be aware that there is a fee charged by the partner retailer, up to about $4.95. There are deposit limits, such as per transaction, per day, and per month, so check your account agreement for the current limits. After the transaction, verify your account balance to ensure that the deposit has cleared. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.